Dear students, in this video lecture, we'll discuss another property related to tangent and circle. Actually, this is your question from the exercise 10.2, question number 4, in which you are to prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. So, I'm going to write the question. What you need to prove? You are to prove the tangents drawn at the ends of diameter of a circle are parallel. Okay, dear students, we have done its proof theoretically. Let's visualize this concept. Okay, what you need to do? Firstly, you are to draw a circle. So, dear students, we'll try to understand this concept through this activity. We'll take a circle, then what we need to do, actually as per the question, tangents drawn at the ends of diameter. So we need to draw the diameter of circle. So let's draw the diameter. Let's draw the diameter of the circle. So here the line segment BC I have taken as the diameter of circle, right? Now what we need to do in the next step, we are to draw the tangents. But the question is the tangents drawn at the ends of diameter of a circle. The ends of the diameter are point B and C. So let's draw the tangent at point B. At point B. In the same way, let's draw the tangent at point C. Now we are to prove what we need to prove. We need to prove that the lines, say line, I am giving the name of these lines as DE and FG, right? We are to prove the lines DE and FG are parallel. The tangents drawn at the ends of the diameter of a circle are parallel. So how will we prove? We know that between the parallel lines, when a transversal cut to the parallel lines, the pairs of alternate interior angles, corresponding angles are equal to each other, and the pair of co-interior angles are supplementary. So any one of the property you can prove. If you prove any property related to this, you can prove that these lines are parallel. So let's measure the angle. Let's measure the angle EBA. Let's measure the angle EBA. EBA. So what do you see? This angle is 90 degree. The angle is 90 degree. I'm going to show the pair of alternate interior angle. If it comes equal, so we can prove that the lines are DE and FG lines are parallel to each other. Now we'll check, we'll measure the angle yes, ACF. So it comes out equal to 90 degrees. So what do we have observed? The pair of alternate interior angles pair of alternate interior angles, the measure of alternate interior angles are equals, and this proves that lines DE and FG are parallel to each other. So this is a visualization, this is a beauty of concept. If you increase and decrease the radius, it also again angle also remains the same, it doesn't changes. So you can visualize and you can understand it logically that the tangents, if we draw the tangents at the ends of the diameter of the circle, the lines, these tangents are parallel to each other. Thank you, dear students.